Okay, so during this video we're going to be making this hallway coat stand, coat rack from scratch. I'm going to be showing you step by step the process that I follow to create this. So stick around and let's get into it. So 1260. So that's level. I've measured it corner to corner, which tells me it's square. I've also measured it lengthwise and widthwise to the specs that the client wants to achieve. So we're going to tack it up, we're going to run around it all and get it welded. Okay, so I'm not sure if the new extraction is a little bit too loud. That is only time will tell. And just like that, there's two. Got the bottom frame, and then we've got the top kind of below the seat section of the frame. And then now we're going to work out our heights, and then that's going to kind of go like that. So you can start to see the kind of rough size. If you stay to the end, you'll see the finished product, but it's going to have a seat on it, it's going to have wicker baskets in it, and it's going to have hand forged J hooks. So it's going to be real nice, real traditional. So as you can now see, we've got support strips all the way around, top and bottom, on the sides and the back. They're all countersunk. So the screw heads will sit flush, and they're going to be simply to screw the timbers round the sides, round the back, and then the top here is the other way round. We're coming up, and that's going to be for the ply for the top for the bench seat. So let's see how we're going to end up. These are all going to be slightly thinner, these centre panels. So we're good side to side, we're good up and down. So that's how it's going to sit. So I chose to actually rotate these to the side. Well, we kind of agreed. They should be lengthwise, but we've got them widthwise, which means there is a handle issue. There's no handle, but we did know about that. I left enough space for you to get your fingers in. The original plan was to actually add a handle to the front. So that's not done yet, but it will be done. Okay, so just in case anyone's going to ask, there is a link below in the description box to these wicker baskets, just in case you like them or you want some yourself. So here is the finished project. Before I show you, I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.